Well, hi everyone. Thanks for joining me today. It's Laura. You can find me on Instagram at Planning My Day. Today I want to share just a quick video on how I am using my Archer & Olive Traveler's Dot Grid notebook as a weekly diary. It's a fun way to be able to write your story, keep a diary on what's been going on during your week without having to create a daily journal. This one, and let me show one of the pages, you can see that along this side right here, I'm pretty much just giving short bullet points, but here I'm writing my story about the entire week. I think we tend to forget or not realize that our personal stories are kind of cool. Our day-to-day living, that phone call you have with your mom, the fun text between you and your husband or you and your kids, or it could be you went to the grocery store and you ran into a friend. All those things make up who you are, and they kind of tell a little bit about your story. I hope you'll stick around for this short video as I share with you how I put it together and some tips I have for you as to when to set it up and when to fill it in. So thanks for sticking around. Go grab your favorite cup of coffee and we'll get started.